All right, hey folks, good Monday evening to you. We have a spring snowstorm moving in right now. This time of year, you really need a snowstorm to happen at night to get the most efficient snowfall accumulation. So any big snowfall in late March or early April almost has to happen at night. And tonight falls in that category. Thanks for joining us on Facebook Live and on YouTube this evening. We just had half of the 6 o'clock broadcast blown out because the president was speaking here. So I figured we'd pop on the Facebook Live and hopefully give you guys a heads up of what is heading our way overnight. I think most towns get over a half-foot of snow, and it's going to be a pasty, wet snow. Temperatures are above freezing. It's going to take a little while to get that snow to accumulate, but yeah, it's going to come down heavy at times. But it's nice because this is going to be a fairly quick mover. It's going to be moving in within the, actually it is moving in now, and it's going to be moving out by about 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. So we will see that sun make an appearance. We'll make a run at 50 degrees tomorrow. Let's take a look at what we can expect for snowfall accumulations. I think most of the area gets 6 to 10 inches of snow. One of the wild cards will be southern coastal York County, seacoast New Hampshire. You might get a little bit less down here. You're seeing rain, snow go back and forth down in Portsmouth and some of the peninsulas and islands, but I think most of the area gets 6 to 10. Farther off to the north, northern parts of Maine, you'll get a little bit less. In fact, quite a bit less. Northern parts of Maine might even see less than an inch way up into northern Piscataquis, Penobscot, Aroostook County. And there's going to be a sharp cutoff somewhere in there between central Maine points north. All right, let's take a look at what we can expect for the warnings and advisories. The Weather Service has a winter storm warning up in the pink right there. Basically, the way to think about this, in the warning area, you can expect over 6 inches of snow. In the advisory area, you have the potential to get a little bit less. With this said, I wouldn't be shocked to see the advisory, at least along coastal areas, expanded to a warning. That may become the case later tonight. It all depends on the snowfall type. But I think we're looking at mostly snow. It's just, the temperatures might be a little bit above freezing, not giving us the most efficient snowfall accumulation rate, at least early tonight. But that's going to pick up tonight. Let's move my mug out of here so we can see that snow moving in. It's a light to moderate snowfall so far, and temps are above freezing, so the roads are fine right now, but those roads will become snow-covered later tonight. Let's take a little tour around the region. It's snowing right now in the Portland area. We've seen snow and rain going back and forth down to Portsmouth, seacoast, New Hampshire. It's snowing over interior, Cumberland County, York County, up to the Route 2 corridor, and those of you up into Augusta, Waterville, you're just getting into it right now in mid-coast Maine over toward Penobscot Bay. Yeah, give it another hour or so. That snow will overspread your skies. Now, this is taking a perfect track for an all-snow event. Area of low pressure is located to our south, and that's going to be tracking something like that puts us on the cold side of the storm. If the storm goes west of us, that's when you get rain. That's not the case this time around. But it is a pretty fast mover here. So it's a pretty quick hitter. We're looking at the snow moving in right now. It's moving out by daybreak tomorrow, 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. I think the snow is gone. We'll get into rapid clearing. In fact, tomorrow we'll make a run at 50 degrees. Tomorrow will be a perfect day to get those kids outdoors. You can get them to make a snowman, snow fort, snowballs, that kind of thing. Perfect snow for that. In fact, I've been toying with the idea of doing a snowman contest. Kids are at home. They want to, parents want to get them outside. Send me your snowman photos or snow fort photos. We'll have to see if we can get those on the air tomorrow. We'll do a little contest here. I have nothing to give away, but what do you think? I might have something to give away. I don't know. We'll have to see if we can find something. Anyway, here's the snow about 1 o'clock in the morning. I think most areas get 6 to 10 again, and the back edge is moving out around 6 a.m. We should get into rapid clearing. There's a pretty fast-moving storm system moving out during the morning tomorrow. Okay, so the heaviest bands of snow are indicated by the darker shades of blue. You see them back into New Hampshire, moving to southern York County, and that is about 8 o'clock, so about an hour and a half from now. And heaviest snowfall, here it is. It is expected to fall from Bangor south into southern parts of Maine, and we'll have to see where that rain-snow line sets up. Best chance for seeing a little bit of rain mixing in is probably down in here, coastal York County and down into seacoast New Hampshire. Some of that may work its way up into the peninsulas and islands. Still some question marks with that, but I wouldn't be shocked to see you stay mostly, if not all, snow, even in that location there. But the back edge is starting to shift off to the east. That's about 6 o'clock in the morning. It's still cloudy for most of the area, so you'll wake up to clouds, but the sun will return. It's a mixture of sun and clouds by afternoon. You're going to love these spring snowstorms, right? Because it snows and then it's 50 degrees. I mean, that's going to be awesome tomorrow. We'll get to around 50 degrees for most towns during the afternoon. And there'll be a northwest wind. It'll be a little breezy, but nothing we can't handle. All right, one thing we need to talk about is, due to the consistency of the snow, we could be looking at some scattered power outages. And given the current circumstances, folks working at home and that kind of thing, that's not a great thing to even entertain. But there is the chance for some scattered outages just due to the consistency of the snow, the heavy, pasty, wet snow that we have out there tonight. So here's what we're thinking. I think between now and about 7 a.m., here's what you can expect. 6 to 10 inches of snow, area wide. The exceptions, seacoast New Hampshire, southern parts of York County. Some of those peninsulas and islands over toward Penobscot Bay, you probably get a little bit less as well. There'll probably be a sharp cutoff right around Route 2, which is right in here. And farther north, you're not expecting much at all. You get up in northern parts of Maine, we're probably only looking at around an inch or less of snow way up into the rooftop of Maine. So this is an estimate of what we're expecting as far as the accumulations through about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And believe me, a lot has to happen between now and tomorrow morning. I mean, we have to get a lot of snow over a very short period of time. Lows tonight around freezing. The sun comes out tomorrow. We're back near 50 degrees. So send the kids outside. All right, your full day, 7-day forecast. The storm track stays active Wednesday, Thursday. I think a storm stays to our east. That one needs to be watched, but going into the weekend, Saturday is probably the better of the 2 days. Our next storm system is probably Sunday, and that one's looking more wet than white. In fact, the mountains could see a little bit of freezing rain associated with that. That's a ways down the road here. So I hope I answered everybody's questions here. I see everybody checking in on Facebook Live, so thanks for checking in this evening. Let's see. Alexis says how much. I hope you guys get a chance to see that graphic. Let's see if we can go back to that. Just real quickly here so I can answer some of your questions. Let me get my mug out of the way so you can see. Oh, that's not what you wanted. There we go. This is what we're expecting for how much out of this. Let's see here. Here we go, folks. Chris says, yeah, it's been since February. We haven't had a snowstorm since February. And even then, it's been kind of a wimpy winter. Ashley says, yeah, bring it. I've been thinking about, I have a great plow driver, and I've been wondering if I should even have them plow the driveway. I mean, a lot of folks are just staying home. It might be one of those where you just don't even shovel tomorrow. But, 6 to 10 inches, you might want to. Let's see. I hope I answered all your questions. Snow in Brunswick. Okay, the snow has arrived here. Chris says 6 to 10 in my spot. Yep, that's the way it looks. Alexis says craziness. Okay, wow, I'm missing a lot of the comments here. Charlie, any chance of April Fool's Day blizzard? Oh, my goodness, I hope not. We'll see, though. We've had a few April Fool's Day blizzards. In South Portland, getting 6 to 10. No, Rita says. I'm sorry. Let's see. Hello from Freeport. Nice to see you, Sterling. Thanks for checking in. Carrie says, hi, Charlie from Lewiston. Hello. Wow, yesterday 2 to 4, now 6 to 10. Yeah, that's the way it looks, Diane. 6 to 10. We'll see. Hi from Hollis, Victoria says. Thank you, Charlie. Thanks, Joe. Appreciate that. Let's see here. Wow, there are a ton of comments. You guys are great. Keep that snow in Portland. Laugh out loud. Biddeford, 10 inches. Wow, it sounds like Dolly wants a big snowfall. I like it. Snow in Brunswick. Let's see here. Snowing in Turner right now. Thanks for checking in, Terry. Appreciate the update. And yeah, if you have updates, I'd love to see them throughout the day tomorrow. Or tonight. Tomorrow's going to be sunny. It'll be fine. So if you have updates tomorrow morning, I'd love to see your snowfall total. That would be great. James says February 19th. Yeah, that was probably the last time we had snow, right? It's been a while. All right. I think I've answered all your questions, I hope. But yeah, this is what we're expecting for snowfall amounts. For folks just joining us on Facebook Live or on YouTube, we can look at the timing again real quick. Let me see if I can load this in. Hang tight, everyone. There we go. Here's the snow overspreading our skies, 8 o'clock tonight. Picks up in intensity. We'll have to see where that rain snow line is. I think it's mostly off to our south. Seacoast, New Hampshire, southern York County, a little bit of rain there. But I think it's a heavy, wet snow for most of the area. And we have to get a lot of snow over a very short period of time. We'll probably get over half foot. It's probably 6 to 10 for most of the area. And the back edge is gone by 6 a.m. Send the kids outdoors tomorrow. We're back near 50 degrees. Get out for a walk. Should be nice. All right, folks, thanks for joining us on Facebook Live tonight and on YouTube. We'll have more updates coming up on CBS 13 at 7, CBS 13 at 10. Nope, CBS 13 at 11, Fox 23 at 10. All right, have a nice night. Take care. Be safe.